Hey, what's up guys? If you're looking for a dashcam that provides full coverage of your vehicle, both inside and out, the AZDOME M550 might be exactly what you need. This 3-channel dashcam records in 2.5K for the front camera and 1080p for both the inside and rear cameras, making it a solid choice for rideshare drivers, daily commuters, and anyone who values full security while on the road. In today's review, we'll go through everything you need to know about the AZDOME M550, from its design and video quality to its features, ease of installation, and real-world performance. Let's find out if this dashcam is worth your money. Also, the link to this dashcam will be included in the video description below. Now, right out of the box, the AZDOME M550 comes with everything you need for a complete setup. Inside, you will find the front camera unit, the rear camera, the inside-facing camera, a long power cable, a rear camera extension cable, a GPS-enabled mounting bracket, and an instruction manual. The dashcam itself has a sturdy build with a compact, modern design. It's not too bulky, which helps it blend seamlessly into your car's interior without obstructing your view. The buttons are responsive, and the 2.4-inch display provides just enough screen space to navigate the settings easily. One thing to note that AZDOME does not include a microSD card, so you'll need to purchase one separately. It supports cards up to 256 GB, which should be plenty for storing footage. Now, the AZDOME M550 has a premium look and feel. The front camera unit houses all 3 cameras, with the interior camera built directly into the main body, allowing for a seamless and space-saving design. The rear camera is compact, making it easy to install on your back windshield. The front camera features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring that it captures a broad view of the road. The inside camera has a 140-degree field of view, perfect for recording passengers or keeping an eye on your car's interior. The rear camera offers a 150-degree angle, covering most of what's happening behind your vehicle. The included GPS mount is a great addition, tracking your location, speed, and driving route, something that can be helpful for insurance claims or legal situations. Setting up the AZDOME M550 is fairly simple, though it requires some patience due to the 3-camera setup. Mount the front camera on your windshield using the included adhesive GPS bracket, then connect the rear camera to the back windshield and plug it into the main unit using the long extension cable. Then plug the camera into power using the included USB car charger. You can also hardwire it for continuous parking mode. Then adjust camera angles to ensure all views are properly aligned. Then insert a microSD card, format it, and you are good to go. The entire process takes around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how neatly you want to route the cables. Now let's talk about the most important factor, the video quality. Front camera has 2.5K resolution. The footage is sharp, clear, and detailed. License plates, road signs, and small details are easy to make out, even in fast-moving conditions. The HDR feature helps balance bright and dark areas, reducing glare from headlights or streetlights. Interior camera is recording on 1080p. The built-in infrared night vision ensures that footage remains clear even in total darkness. It's especially useful for rideshare drivers who need to keep an eye on passengers at night. Rear camera is also recording on 1080p. The rear camera provides decent clarity, though it struggles slightly in very low light environments. During the daytime, however, it captures vehicles and objects behind you with good sharpness and clarity. Overall, the video quality is impressive for the price, providing detailed and reliable footage in most conditions. By the way, prices on this dashcam update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Night driving is where many dashcams struggle, but the AZDOME M550 performs well thanks to its infrared night vision for the interior camera and HDR support for the front and rear cameras. The front camera does a good job adjusting to low light conditions, reducing glare and capturing clear footage even in poorly lit areas. The infrared interior camera is a standout feature, made ideal for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers. The back and wide night vision mode ensures that everything inside the car is recorded, even in complete darkness. The rear camera is decent, but its low light performance is average. If you drive frequently at night, you might need additional rear lighting for better clarity. The AZDOME M550 includes a 24-hour parking mode, but it requires hard wiring to your car's battery. Once enabled, it offers two useful features. First one is motion detection. The camera automatically records when it detects movement around your car. Another one is collision detection. If an impact is detected, the camera immediately saves and logs the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. This is a great feature for monitoring your vehicle while parked, helping you catch hit-and-run incidents or vandalism. This dashcam offers great video quality, especially for the front and interior cameras. The infrared night vision is perfect for rideshare drivers. It includes a wide-angle field of view for all three cameras. The parking mode with motion detection adds extra security. The built-in GPS tracks location, speed, and driving route. The interface is user-friendly with an easy-to-navigate menu. On the downside, the rear camera's night performance is average. There is no built-in Wi-Fi or mobile app, meaning you have to manually transfer footage using a microSD card. The parking mode requires a hard wiring kit, which is sold separately. The included adhesive mount is permanent, so repositioning can be difficult. So, is it a good choice? The AZDOME M550 is an excellent 3-channel dashcam offering clear 2.5K front recording, solid interior footage, and decent rear coverage. It's especially useful for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone looking for full vehicle surveillance. While it lacks Wi-Fi and cloud storage, it makes up for it with solid build quality, strong night vision, and GPS tracking. If you need a reliable, high-quality dashcam setup without breaking the bank, the AZDOME M550 is a fantastic option. Let me know in the comments, guys, are you planning to pick up this dashcam or are you going to stick with what you already have? So guys, that's it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on this dashcam. See you in the next one.